Hey, what's going on? This is Dominic with Lead Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Search Console for your own website or for your clients' websites. So the first thing you have to do is open a new tab and just type in Google Search Console, and you will see this first result right here. You click that, click Start Now, and then make sure you're in the correct account. So I'm going to switch over to the business account. Now over here on the left side, there's this thing that says Add Property. So you click Add Property, and here is where you're going to put the client's website or your website without the HTTPS, without the www, and without the / in the back after the .com. So it's going to look like this. So after you do that, let me just go back on this screen and put it in on here. You click Continue, and then you get this over here. So what you have to do is go into your DNS, wherever that is. Then you have to go to, DS. It might be called DNS Zone Editor or DNS Editor, or just DNS, or Advanced DNS, depending on what you're using. So here, what you do is you go get the code. So this is the Google site verification code. You click copy on it, go to your DNS and go to the TXT record. You can leave this blank. Some DNS interfaces will need you to type in the website, and if you have to type in the website, just do it like this, without the slashes, just like that. But on SiteGround, you don't have to. It just says leave it blank. So after you put your code in there, click Create, and then go back to Google Search Console, click Verify, and it says ownership cannot be verified. So this might take a second. So let's do it again. And there we go. Now click on Go to Property. So as you can see, nothing is showing up here. That's because we just submitted it. If you want to take it a step further, click on Sitemaps, and then go to your website. And then put it / site map .xml. Now, some sites you might have to type in sitemaps.xml. You just have to go into your WordPress SEO app or plugin, whatever you want to call it, and figure out what your link actually is. So this one's using Yoast. That's why I know it is sitemaps.xml. And then it redirects it to sitemaps_index.xml. Now I can index every page, like I can index this and all that, but because this is a shared server, I have a few different websites on here. I think maybe like 10 or more than 10. I only want to index the sitemap that has all my pages, which is this one right here. So we're going to take this URL, click submit, and there we go. It is successfully submitted. So in a few hours over here, where it says discovered URLs, this number is going to change to how many URLs you actually have. And then here, couldn't fetch, that's going to change. This unknown type is going to change. And then inside of coverage, you will begin to see your URLs populate. And that's pretty much it. That's how you set up Google Search Console.